My name is Kellyn LaCour-Conant, and I'm a wetland ecologist with the state of Louisiana Coastal Protection and Restoration Authority. My journey to where I am now in my career started a lot with how I was raised and how I grew up. I spent a lot of time outdoors, and so I felt comfortable in wildlife. And I started to volunteer a lot. I volunteered around Houston, where I grew up, picking up trash, planting trees. But when Deepwater Horizon happened when I was about 16, it was the biggest oil spill in American history. And that happened right in the Gulf of Mexico, right where I live and where I'm from. And so that really hit home really hard. And it kind of made me think about coastal ecology and wetland ecology and restoration ecology, which is specifically taking damaged habitats and working to make them healthier again. We should care about coastal restoration because people live here. So if, the coast is destroyed, we're destroying communities and homes and businesses and culture and habitat for wildlife as well. We are the front line for sea level rise, for hurricanes, for storms, and things like that. We need to stay strong on the coast to protect everyone else and to protect our culture here and our people here as well. There are a lot of things that I love about my work. Of course, I love being outside and doing field work, getting out on the boats, going out to barrier islands, getting dirty a little bit, getting in the mud. That stuff is always fun. I like connecting with community members who might not come from a scientific background, but who are invested in coastal restoration and our fight to adapt to climate change in their own way. I like merging our strengths and our power together to create new solutions to the problems that we're facing. And what we're doing, a lot of it has never been done before because we're facing new problems, we're having to develop new technology and new solutions. So every day is a new challenge that we have to rise and tackle. Sometimes you come across mean people who don't believe in you, who don't want you to be there, especially when you're young, when you're just starting your career, when you might not be super sure of yourself. That can really be a blow to your confidence because you start to question, maybe I shouldn't be here, maybe I don't know what I'm doing. But you can do everything that you set your mind to. We all have different paths in this life and we get to where we're going at different paces. But it doesn't mean that where we're going isn't where we're supposed to be. It doesn't mean that you're not capable. So just keep on trucking and, like I said, have fun along the way because the journey is a big part of it, not just the destination.